If the audio on YouTube TV is ahead of or behind the video, you're dealing with an audio sync issue, also known as lip sync delay. This problem is common on smart TVs, sound bars, and streaming devices. Here's how to fix it quickly. Start by closing and reopening the YouTube TV app. This refreshes the audio pipeline and often fixes syncing issues instantly. If that doesn't work, restart your device, whether it's a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or phone. Next, check your audio output settings. On your TV, go to Settings Audio. Audio delay or lip sync, move the slider until the sound matches the video. Some TVs have auto lip sync. Turn it on to correct timing automatically. If you're using external speakers or a soundbar, change your audio format. Switch between PCM, Dolby Digital, Stereo, or Bitstream. This often corrects audio delays caused by incompatible sound modes. Inside YouTube TV, toggle Surround Sound. Go to Profile Settings, Surround Sound. Turn it off, then on again. Also update the YouTube TV app and your TV's software. Outdated versions are a major cause of syncing issues. If all else fails, disconnect and reconnect HDMI cables, or use HDMI ARC/EARC, which handles audio timing better. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.